Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech. It's my Raj. Today we're continuing the uh, Amazon AWS series, and today we're going to discuss about the elastic block storage volume in AWS. So for the content, we have an introduction to EBS, what is block storage, EBS volume type, using attaching and using of the EBS volume, key features, snapshots, and best practices of it. Okay, so let's learn about the ABS. ABS is a block level storage service service provided by the AWS that you can attach to your EC2 instance. Think of it like a virtual hardware device in the cloud. It provides the persistent storage, meaning your data remains safe even if your EC2 instances stop or restart. Okay, so it's a design for the highly available, durable, and scalability for those purpose, which makes it ideal for the storing operation systems, database, and application data. Okay, before moving any further, let's learn about the block storage. In the block storage, data is divided into small fixed size blocks, each with its own addresses. This structure allows for faster, low latency performance and flexibility in managing data. This is why EBS volumes are ideal for working workloads that requires high input-output performance, like database or systems that store and retrieve data quickly. Okay, AWS offers various multiple types of multiple EBS volume types depending on your needs and desires. Generally, a general purpose SSD, which is also known as GP2 and GP3, offers a great balance between the cost and performance for the most workload. Uh, Provisions IOPS SSDs like IO1 and IO2 uh, are the designed for the high level performance database where speed and consistency are matters the most. Then we have a throughputs optimize STDs and cold STDs, which are most affordable and used for the less frequently accessed data like logs and backups. Okay, let's talk about the attaching and using of the EBS volume. Uh, To use an EBS volume, you first create it from your AWS management consoles and attach it to your EC2 instance. Both must be in the same availability zones after attachment. Uh, you format and mount it just like a physical device. You can also detach the volume and attach it to another instance without losing any data, making it very flexible and safe. Okay, let's talk about some of the features of EBS. That is, first of all, is persistence and durable storage, meaning that data stay intact even when the instances are stopped. You can also take a snapshot of your volume and restore it a point in time. Backups stores in AWS Amazon S3. Uh, EBS support encryption to protect your data through uh, both in transit and at the rest. And finally, it integrates seamlessly with others AWS services, making it easier to scale and manage your infrastructures. Okay, these are the features of EBS. Okay, now moving on. EBS snapshots are one of the most useful features. These are incremental backups stored in Amazon S3, meaning only the changed data is saved each time. saving storage, space, and cost. Okay, it helps in the saving the storage and cost. You can restore data, mitigate between the regions, or migrate between the regions, or even create a new volume from your snapshot. AWS backups also let you automate the snapshots or automatically take the snapshots process for the regular protections. Okay, there are some of the best practices for the AWS EBS. Okay, while working with the EBS, always choose the right volume type for your workload. For example, GP3 for the general workload and IO2 for the database and heavy work. So make sure that you choose wisely. Make sure they schedule regular snapshots and enable encryption for sensitive data. You can monitor the performance using the Amazon CloudWatch, and finally details are delete unused volumes to avoid the unnecessary cost. In the conclusion, we can conclude that Amazon EBS is one of the most critical services in AWS, providing the reliable and scalable block level storage and for the EC2 instances. Its features like snapshots, encryptions, multiple volume type make it suitable for the wide range of use cases, from simple web servers to complex enterprise database. Understanding EBS helps to ensure your AWS infrastructure is both efficient and reliable. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you have any confusion regarding the video or questions, then let me know. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.